Today, we will discuss these three error codes, E1, E3, and E5. If these errors appear on the air conditioner's display and the AC stops working, what do they mean and what causes them? So let's start the video. Let's move to the circuit. This is the indoor circuit of an AUX mini-split air conditioner. Upon physical inspection, we can see that the fuse is blown and has turned black. Besides that, this IC is also burnt. Here we have a capacitor, and we will check other components as well. After replacing and repairing the faulty components, we will explain the error codes in detail. Now, as you can see, I have successfully repaired the circuit. The indicator light is on, confirming that the circuit is working fine. After turning it on, you can see that the E1 error is displayed. Look at the blue-colored connector on the PCB. This is for the room temperature sensor. If this sensor gets short-circuited, the E1 error will appear on the display. To fix this issue, you need to replace the room temperature sensor. However, if the error still appears even after replacing the sensor, it indicates a problem with the PCB, which will need to be repaired or replaced. Now, I have installed the new sensor, and we will turn the unit on again. The E1 error should no longer appear. However, if the error still persists, it means there is a problem in the circuit that needs to be repaired. Now look, the motor is running, which confirms that the system is working properly. Now, after turning the PCB on again, the fan motor starts running, but now the E3 error has appeared. This error indicates that the pipe coil sensor is faulty, short-circuited, or the PCB itself is damaged. Look at this. This is the pipe coil sensor connector, and this is how the sensor looks. To fix this issue, replace the pipe coil sensor, and the E3 error will be resolved. Now, you can see that the E5 error has appeared on the unit display. The E5 error indicates a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units due to a disconnection. This error can occur in 2 or 3 different situations. 1. If the outdoor circuit is faulty, the E5 error may appear. 2. If there is a problem with the connection between the indoor and outdoor units, such as a damaged or loose line, neutral, or signal wire, the error can also occur. 3. A faulty indoor circuit can also be responsible for this issue. To fix this, check and repair the faulty components. Once the issue is resolved, the E5 error will disappear. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.